Happy birthday to you.
This was the camping trip that changed it all.
Happy birthday to you, Charlie.
Let's start from the beginning. Welcome to a Hobbits trail. We had our 3 kids really close together and were excited to take a family vacation. And our oldest son was turning 5 years old. So to make it an epic vacation birthday, we booked a cruise. Then 2020 hit and, well, all the cruises were canceled.
First U.S. case has been detected in the coronavirus.
1 million coronavirus cases.
The urge Americans not to travel.
Coronavirus. The coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Coronavirus. Coronavirus.
It's really pretty, isn't it? I'm just surprised at the weather. Like, we don't even need a jacket. Silly Thor. There's Kit. You locked it, didn't you? We got a nice view. We got the babies. God, they're loud. Our neighbors are gonna hate us. Go get Finn! They're like, we don't even know what to do with this much running. Thumbs up. You like it? Is this... Hey Kit, is this a cool place to have a birthday party? Yeah? Oh, he's gonna set up now. What are we gonna put there? Oh, the tent? Okay.
After being trapped in the house, the kids have been begging to go camping. We looked into renting an RV with Cruise America because it's the middle of winter and tents are just not an option. Plus, we've never camped in an RV before and it sounds like a lot of fun. Let's take a quick RV tour. This is the large RV rental and they have lots of different sizes. This is the day setup, the night setup. It sleeps about 7 and it's pet friendly. The size was perfect for our family of 5. Considering this is our first RV experience, I don't feel like we overpacked. There's a huge bed over the cab. All 3 kids slept up there a night or 2. The kitchen has a huge sink and a really nice fridge, and there is no TV. There's a little bathroom with a toilet. We bought a little kid seat, hot and cold shower, a nice sized master bedroom in the back with lots of storage and great views. Okay, let's get back to camping.
Yes, mommy zombies do have brains.
Oh.
Yeah, some zombies.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Brains inside people too, not
So why do they want to eat them?
zombies want to eat brains? Because for dinner are brains.
Okay, you drink your hot cocoa,
So
baby.
if
It's
you
getting
get-
cold.
If you get eaten by a zombie, then you turn into a zombie too.
Oh really?
If you get caught in by
potty?
a brave,
Everyone was like, oh my god, it looks super awesome.
zombies work.
How?
When their brains disappear.
Their brains? Is that why they look for brains?
Yeah.
Huh.
When they have no knives, and actually they break their clothes.
How come?
They have no eyes. They just take their eyes out
Oh.
of their face.
I was getting serious. She put Hop Hop on the table.
And they take
Hey, don't put that in your mouth.
their head off.
Oh, you were just putting it by your face. Is it cold?
They put their head off.
This is what we're camping in for. Kit Kat, how old are you today? Huh?
5.
You're 5? Show me 5. Kit Kat, can you show me 5? That's right. Happy birthday, Kit. We're about to blow out your candles.
Happy birthday, Kit Kat.
Sillies. Yeah. You look good. You in there? She's there. Hi. Kit Kat, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh my god, there's a creeper. Is it hissing? Is it hissing? Hiss at me. You're supposed to hiss. Ah! Oh, he exploded! And there's Finn with his skeleton mask. Happy birthday to Kit. birthday to Kit. Happy birthday, dear Kit. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Good job.
Did the cake explode?
I want the mouse.
You want the mouth? Yay! Hi, dears. Hi, dears. You see the three of them? Oh, he's running away. Bye, dears. Have a good day. Bye. What's this little one doing? Silly. So that's how you know where they are. It's the headlamps. Jiffy Pop!
Here are some photos to help sum up the trip. I didn't know at the time that this was going to be a life-changing event. Instead of a TV, we use our pocket projector on the ceiling. Okay, decisions made. We need a truck so we can pull a travel trailer. 2 months later, we bought Guinevere, a 2017 F-150.
And what are we doing? Is this Daddy's first new truck? Well, not first. Excited? What's happening? Here it comes. Guys, look at the front. What's happening? It's loud, huh? Is that cool? Alice, it's a car wash, baby. Are you scared? You don't like it? It's just washing our car for us. Thank you. This one's gonna go around it. Wow, wasn't that cool? Thank you.
I don't know how much pressure I can put on this.
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
Then we installed a brake controller so that we wouldn't get flipped off the road.
Yeah, you found it!
Oh, it only took 30 minutes.
In the heat.
There we go.
Yay! Step one. What is this called? A brake controller?
Yep.
Jake took his own truck apart so we could get our brake controller. Hooray! He did really good. I mean, it looks like, you know, it doesn't look like it was a car accident or anything. Yeah. But yeah, step one. We can control the trailer brakes with this. Uh-oh, I hear a kid.
You know what makes me happy? This. Yeah, it works.
What's it say?
Trailer disconnected.
Oh, look at you. Installed your first thing in your truck. Move your hand. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? We got our trailer brake and our trailer things we don't know how to use.
The trailer thing.
We don't even have a trailer to test it with. All right, Daddy wants us to come look at his mirrors, but he's setting it up. So what we got here?
All right, so we've installed the new tow mirrors on the truck.
Ooh.
They're big and giant, and they work.
Oh my God, look how big they are. Those are so big. Where are the old mirrors?
They're in, one's in there, and then one's in the truck. I forgot to take it out.
Okay.
That's okay, though.
Look at, ooh.
Look at that, though.
Look at that. It's pushed
so
in.
pretty.
It's just pushed in right now, right?
This is pushed in, yeah.
Oh my
watch, watch, watch.
God.
Comes out like 4 more inches.
Is that how long it's supposed to be?
Yeah.
Because it looks like it. Oh, 4 inches. Wow. That's nice. So we can see around our trailer. Alice, don't go on the street, please.
And then I think, if I'm not mistaken, yeah,
What?
it bends forward and backwards.
Oh, cool.
I didn't test that out, but I did test this one out. So,
Okay, so when we park, we're gonna do
we
that.
push these in,
Okay,
yeah.
got it. They're worried about the cat.
Did you also get this part?
What part?
Tiny turtle antenna. It's so itty bitty. I love it.
It's a nice little antenna
It
there.
makes me feel adequate now. Oh, but check this out. Check out the turn signals.
You want me to stand in the front?
Yeah, stand in the front. Look at the turn signals.
All right, Alice, come here, please. Come in. We're gonna see something. Daddy's gonna do something. Oh.
What?
The turn signals on the mirror are matching Daddy's car. Very cool, Daddy. Whoa! I need to get that closer. Sorry, I was looking at the.
Get in.
Yeah, I know from the front it looks
Whoa.
like a turn signal, but then it keeps circling her.
That's neat. Yeah, it goes like the bzzz, bzzz, and it's not as clear in the camera. Okay,
Yeah, everything works.
so it's
Thus far, the bottom is manual.
so this is like the far away camera, and this is like the normal camera.
Yeah.
Hmm.
All right. Oh, hey. Oh, no, get out.
Let me just pull it. Oh. Okay, cool. Well, that's a big mirror.
All right. Wait, one more thing.
What?
Come here.
Oh lordy. That's a nice truck.
Watch out. Right.
Oh, you
Watch out,
did
baby.
the hydraulics
I
too?
did. Watch out, baby. Watch out.
Watch out, Alice.
So it doesn't like slam anymore. It's not like
Okay.
it's less of a slam.
Let me see.
So,
Wow, we need to get that wood out of here. Yeah. Are you happy?
I want
Very.
in.
Is this what makes you happy in life?
Yeah.
Very cool. Was that neat, Alice? You like Daddy's truck?
I want in.
No, we're not going in, my boy.
Maybe tomorrow we'll go bike riding if it's weather's nice again. All right, let's go in before the mosquitoes get us, Daddy. We need to push those mirrors
I'm
in.
gonna pull in the trash.
Okay.
Join us for the next chapter on a Hobbits trail. Time to rent a travel trailer.